Adom online on some of her no crowd or my hino cabana sante. They say where you offer sante. Rosemary Adaro. The one crata so egun name of Bible for someone na face so or no ascend D and come on. What for cabana sante patch of me watch be.
Me offer some majos so na dey do the Rose Adaroma. Rose DJ Adaroma. And Rose egumun sem so nyame anim dem sika na nya dia ade de tia onyon ko ho a wo se tuadiem na agro no so yen kan di wachi wa so ati se contractor so yi kwan na se no no yan fa ho a sem no ti obi asem enya wasem e wo ne kwa so very important in the role said the Messia can ye di trade in the Badwam team no see e be hwe se aban ahokeka na na montu ne ani di ese fata se ode ma epepa kura watimi anya akosua de so de beboa Ghana eni hu kwan se okosa atete ni sa
that be as omunya form omon kai Rose because Rose betimi akasa beduma ne pa
Rose akasa yi pa
ka no kura so kwa sori
napko hu nsem na doso enti general secretary napko trainees association Franco say I'm friend but Frank Kwanza match apom di say hello Frank apom di say I think say Frank Ahomano Nadia Otiminka ye Frank Otiminka matching him Frank.
Hello.
Was here train Frank no some how do I to the Obokata and quickly Mamin 5B and Fambro. The Chronicle the Obokata and the Beshase speedboats deployed on rivers and Cobra prior to stop Galamsey in Fujina Adam says Samuel Abujinapo Minister Lands and Natural Resources in Fujina Wanzi. Sansona Any Makasipano John Kuma hits back at minority. BOG has printed 22 billion Ghana cedi. A-Bay NDC. And what's him an era John Kuma, Deputy Minister Finance on Oslo. Defiant Adjoa Safo reveals in flashy plane. And also what's him the Chronicle of Bakata Ediaba. Yeah, quite man so quickly na Frank Kwanza, General Secretary. NAPCO Trainees Association and Train Come. Frank Akwaba, no matter say. Hello, Frank Akwaba, no matter say. I see. So, and Frank Napco for no, and no matter say, oh,
you, Madasapa, since a nap, Yaman Kuyi, Yaman Kuyi Manapco for, if you say, Omahine, last year, November 15th, now by the letter by say, Napofina, you should go back to work. Imagine, but send down Manuka cap prepo, young former Napco for a sorry.
To was it, was it the name for Caprema A4?
I have Napo first cohort in Ebe last year, October. And the 15th November, no, I buy the car taba say, Napofina, we should go back to work. Imagine, I gave you for 9 good months in here. Omume capre poda. After you da kosoreya, you see, NAPCO is come to an end. Permanent jobs are in Sanka. I realize you Sanka.
Now, more called NAPCO, no, now mono, dear in Chirimuni, dear Mamu.
In Chemo, the man say was to give us skills and experience. Now, if you know, our buying would transition us from temporary employment to permanent employment. I ain't just say at the NAPCO no home.
And the skills no experience is a
you papa mind you skills and experience no.
And she say transition bring out more exit plan from a buy one.
Yenya show your mind yenya exit plan bia sha buy ho. On abuy yes say inka we should be at post for permanent arrangements. Since a permanent arrangement a year train be send there yant wo hwia. Ya da kwasori ase September NAPCO na fi de baby you cry.
I see, but eba na we ye wanya experience na wasa enya a certain exposure bi no. Say aban already through the finance minister Abeka Cho say man clear to all of us say aban ejini power aban adwuma me de nyame ni mekweni. Maybe in some few cases you'll be called retirement to be a fine, but say en block pass aban sabe fani pa de once no aye kanakakra NAPCO for now much as here look elsewhere with that exposure any experience na monya nana
no amane that experience in the nya that they say be NAPCO fi ye just say vacancy ade na aban enye permanent o bia na ko nyi adwo bia wo ho no private sector say ko ye ni che private sector o ma hin public sector hin no de be ma graduate our 30 years 27 years after so ko nyi adwo ba 500 600 cities enko ye once yes aban say baby odi na ko yin ko she bia no o de yanka wa na onye permanent wo ha vacancy dey be wo pa but in Bentia aban say there's no vacancy at the public space. There are vacancies ko be na ko ye adwuma na vacancy if you see you be fufu na ba be ho.
I see. So as we speak now, more exit September. Aban democracy. Aban
the year September. Aban the year 11 months.
11 months.
Yes, please.
Napco fo nyina na napco fo binomo.
Napco nyina aban to bia kapre since time aban the cat aban say we should all go back to work on 15th of November no aban to bia kapra besinda no ka say.
Kwansa from 15th November as in last year.
Last year November.
Ebesi enne anopay.
And there you can say 2070 into bia kaye. Sendane finance minister Butcher Kadia and the yenim.
It in Tremu Bena, Montpellier for Mohen Napco, a Jumano de Abremo.
Omahine, ya chon cat have a bray, a man Napco secretariat. Even for 17th of February, ya demonstration cry a petition, Napco secretariat. Ya Jane said your mobile can be being poacher, but my best in Damanuka say, yes, CEOs and 1 year old or beyond Waka be Biacha Napco for best in Damanuka say. No communication from anywhere.
Well, apart from no communication, say Mukade na moye. Oko adwuma de na we.
Me will educate Ghana to be question Kolana dia. Minuka say I'm preparing a BC candidate. I'm coach BC. They say I'm September no pono me few up and Kolano obi anyo bacha wa dia because BC October. Na pono and the 1st of September. Into answer no meja Kolano ho na me dimta femu.
Monkrata dodo a petition paying no o se mu bia ni ho moyima no
my response bia mahine
maketua no so aka mbosu makoma du back no anu ye bia man chiremu bia man
de bi ya nten wo hwe na ya dwen senka finance minister be ready budget at least yeah arrears to be captured now so when tuma nka fie amfa arrears so do ka ne se e be wiye on September asa
na nya na yesi mo fa mu details nko na ntimi enhyehyɛ mu ne omani yesi de be ya ma nsamanfo nko dɔso akatua di tua napkom no saa hyehyɛ nyina no
saa document in your mind ye nyina kama mpanyimfo mo hwehwɛ nkrata mu national service certificate school certificate license ni nyina ba hwɛ ni nyina agi ni nyina to the we qualify to be to mechanize into the permanent mainstream work person that yente wo hwe saa about the career pathway by so we open permanent employment no now what choose we open entrepreneurship no we choose what open further learning no we choose saa nyem nyina na ye choose obia fa no person offer afide about the saa nhyehyɛ no de banya ato nkyɛn e pie nyina kogo you start na for 3 years you start experience how to set up a business you experience no because na kon University of Cape Coast my education my national service 1 year my sasa enough for 3 years 4 years experience is more on teaching than setting up a business.
Okay, but any a different policy you start a different policy and program if you are buying honaba napco so ye aban trimu paul the two just by the 3rd year no na watima mama kwanya apart from suyehu na monya no watima mama kwanya menya permanent jobs momu bi enya permanent jobs aye nti en combine and en confuse napco with you start chiche no e dan so
ano napco na bewi it is financial business no say they are going to migrate or enroll all napco trainees into you start no kai
finance minister can say enye final because clearly it's not possible na say they okay ne dey keka ne dey unhui is it possible say no obe uplift mu na makọ you start program you start ni kra no I start to me ma hafu it no napco ni na wodo oni ato you start no nhyehyɛ no minim the but enye automatic say you are being pushed onto the you start program no it's a different program altogether napco for mo pa mo kenkan you start say the esigina ho na the person eye It is a different policy program altogether. It is so. I'm a two man up for your marriage. You PJ in our use start to any query.
Let's say, send up on a use start on my
I see.
You start on I rest none is some any permanent jobs on motion.
Okay, so you're the best any pay for the income, but I can assure you, said the Indian nurse for shares here and Radano. Most of the animal shares and I'm going what is stopping government from paying more for past 11 months. And yes, and now I'm going to so. Now, more pay in you may be so. Messer Monso, September more you need baby, ya, Madaroma, more waiting my accord you start national Monco, Moncam home, Namun him, dear Namun Koyade for Monso Amun Timino, and a Monvena, Munya skills, whilst you wait for other opportunities in life. But, yeah, man, so ha, immediately, Kwanzaa. All right, that's it. This finance minister so okasewo. Sema kese so. Bibia obeka. Yanko IMF ne yeko. You see Hausa position up for boze. They all be on the U Start program. How possible is that? Apku. Elena ayi. Okasa papa. Ente Lady D yo o de o nya manyo se make o bobo se papa kwa na chem de e bufuru no. Me kan kwa ve na o chinchim za pa is onko ka bi kra. Yebeka okasa dodo.
Sure some say. Oh. Onipa bedu hwamo. Ntu ye ni penu a plan B. Tiawa.
It is a ka chenese for se onko ko chire kom ko bompa ya. Se na no ametia se minti bi da. E die so omko chire kom no bompa ye.
Eno ntina. O se nkomo na so no ka se ukohu ye se de nura o ka chire wo fa se Rosemary no e ye no kura sika ni. Na sika ni ho a e fa nkwa anwan. Ma he ukofa no no antua ne ka obeye demonstration. Etika no kura ne chire ne se me wo fa se e bi jafie kapre na ho. Eti wo de mo beye djuma na mintia o ka de wo de mrepa beba eno ye che na ya clear na ya fa hena ne 400 Ghana wo de afia santemantema kofra mantem Rosemary so so wo pastor ukoye na ne book ohu na wo de nsa o sensio kogu form a ne
ye ni Rosemary nya eye say anka Piero nya Rosemary sika na ko so no sika bi so ya de because ono no Piero no ono no up 600 Rosemary wonya 400 ko Daily Guide of Okatasi, Ochiman Youth Defense Ochihine, and the big one, Special Prosecutor chases Jubilee House officials, and Minister commissions anti-Galamsey petrol boats, and Tema West Nadmo boss charged with fraud. Michael Tay Lawe, Nimfonyini Anna Ewo, Daily Guide, again, the new crusading guide, Jubilee House official, others granted bail as OSP interrogates several officers of NDA over corruption allegations. And Akufo-Addo deflates cathedral critics, says there has never been an appropriate time to build national institutions. Mr. President, sometimes, and I am very provocative. And I said, yeah, need the momo was through honum na ekon bomutino. Mokasa sa sometimes just you know, it's very painful. So when you 2 minutes now if any paswa, okasa is very important. Ebi our team pon cry papa. But bre a the kasa ne baby a kana no. Very important. Obia nka say you be si akwan ma cathedral la yesi. But one kasa kra won chire mu on about 4 occasions. How cathedral e be seen no. One kasa no nua finance minister no wo for ase kra mun chire mu cry eburu bibia. So mama to bo ma park na so sa. We asa na mu pia ya me yakodu baby ni kwase mu pia me edu. Wo nya hwea ma wase. O so sa so yakobɔ no kro no. Online there na wo no fa come yankweni.
Dear Mawachi, adomonline.com and pay any set persons culpable in 10 million Ghana cedis NDA signature forgery case will be charged. Special prosecutor Ena Ekasa Seminti kwati kwan no a saa nipa no fa so far NDA signature wo mo forgery no special prosecutor say wo mo form ho eni sada fi semra e wo man how this little girl's wish was granted by Atta Mills enti kanema penny Mills ne nka ye dum dwumadi ana no ekɔso no ɛna nipa bi ebra wɔte ase wɔ munya ne so emfaso bi no wɔn so ɛka sɛ kwan nwanwaso bi a ɛfa so asa de srɛde ne akomaso ade na ɛda ma ye yakomaso ma ɛka ne mampani etumi ma wɔn nsa ɛka ye na ba konso ɛfa ne gide ho nsɛm ɔse Stephanie Benson makes revelations about Akosia Japan, shares lovely photo. Inti eneya wote ase aya na obisa ho se enipa se me ye hwan na de na nipa nso ekafa me ho wawuda daka nim no aye ya sore tenten ye di ho adanse de wo fa nya hwe inti Akosia Japan so na wote ase na Stephanie Benson enya bi eka e de afa ne ho yi ewre so say I married a British man because of past experiences with Ghanaian men. Sasemi dear me say o man he beboa ma PRO ene Frank Asempa wo mo aye ho dance for ama sisters no eti sister ya sem no se na no de Ghana brothers bi ene kire no nti ono onya British broni ya no se na me kro no ana no asem bi nti no
hey boda fofo ya bro hey eze de wano no kra nkokwa na e twa oso anu Presley eresi e kan sem kama say we try so e be twa so the amount the Ghanaian Times here be 5 speedboats deployed to clamp down on Galamsey and at 19th plenary assembly no fixed time to build cathedral. President raps critics and wasem ana the Ghanaian Times so about edisia
yo
na obi adi twa
na fisem so no enuanom ananka omo toll booth mu no so man he ukai aban we bo shefa omo a eni adwuma wo toll booth
omo no omo yatu omuka
uyo market no kra to nchen ya se adwuma no eba no ye be ye wo fa bi na ebinum anya
na yes we kwa wo ka no ministry of roads for the release bi aba
sa wo hu
wakai me kwanti quickly maybe ma ye hwe se ebetimi I can kind some ministry release now. Then it me taking from them.
Sure.
And when you mean on the sacred and the Bible say Ghana for the donor ya aji omanosi bon say clarification of the finance minister's statement on the collection of road tolls in the mid-year budget. Following the presentation of the mid-year budget of the government of Ghana for the 2022 financial year by Honorable Minister of Finance Ken Oforiatta on Monday, 25th July 2022, the Ministry of Roads and Highways has noted with concern reports in some sections of the media and various discussions of the reintroduction of toll collection in the country. The ministry wishes to state for the avoidance of doubt that the finance minister, while speaking about the financing arrangements for the Accra-Temamoto Way and extension project, stated that when completed, the CA, that's concessional agreement, is expected to be approved by the PPP committee, cabinet and parliament. The completed road will be told to recover the whole life cost of the completed infrastructure as well as pay lenders and provide a return for equity investors. He further stated that all PP projects must be self-financing and will be tolled. The ministry wishes to state categorically that the government has not reinstated toll collection across the country. We further wish to clarify that the finance minister's reference to tolls in the budget review was in respect of PPP road projects only. The ministry wishes to reassure the public that the government will continue to use innovative means to finance road projects across the country. And it's signed Nasser Ahmed Yate, head public relations.
Enti Sami ayano na beye juma.
Tobu Simbia mai. Tobu Simbia mai. Weye ankran na abayon ko fo mo beye kwan na sika ankran de she kwan nim no.
Okay.
Enti ase beye juma mo matimi agi se sika no. Back.
Okay.
For the two anyway minim say yentu adodo na aka na me say bia ba na yetu aka na ze na mi na
ombeba omoba na ye behu se ekawom se ye bie pp de anu wi a
omo so benya kwanya
na ka omo so wo afa no say omobe so atena fia na ombera na shift eti eno ho nkomo ena ye bedi no ene na oman na wo ka se clarification aba fi say yante ase say ye be ye review a onza ya ye te bia na wo twinim aya yen kontem ne kabrofu wi ne akatwi ne atiase kojo ponkroma on se na hye ye no de bibi bae omo kabrofu no wi na makatwi we nka nye release bia
se de man kan ye kra o ni lante banaman Ni na nti bana man yenko.